I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google and signing in so your preferences and search history stay consistent across devices. Start typing a focused query with only the essential keywords. This reduces noise and speeds results. When you need exact wording, wrap it in quotes. When removing irrelevant results, add a minus sign. Also try operators like cite to limit a domain or file type to find PDFs. Once done, glance at the instant suggestions to refine your phrasing quickly. You now refine the initial results by using Google's tools and filters. Click Tools to set a time range for fresh content or choose verbatim for exact matches. Switch result tabs to images, news, videos, maps, or shopping when you need a specific type of content. For deeper precision, add advanced operators like in title to find words in page titles or related to discover similar sites. Make sure to inspect snippets and site previews before clicking to save time. You finish by acting on curated results. Open the best links in new tabs and save useful pages to bookmarks or collections so you can return. Adjust search settings like Safe Search, Language, and Autocomplete to match your needs. These settings change how Google ranks and shows content. If results stay irrelevant, clear your cache, try incognito to bypass personalization, or rephrase the query with fewer words and stronger keywords. One troubleshooting tip: if a site is missing, use cite plus domain to confirm indexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.